Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Colder weather brings the unwanted pests from outside inside, especially if you live in the country like I do. Suddenly, I had unwanted pests in my kitchen, garage, shed, and attic. I suggested to my husband that we should just move, but he suggested that we get this rodent and pest repellent from KONGBAOLL. It was very easy to plug in right out of the box. I used the provided cord and it started to scare away all those pesky unwanted visitors. There are 4 different modes that you can choose from. One is for the spiders and the insects, the other is for bigger rodents such as mice and squirrels, and there's a duo mode that takes care of all of the unwanted pests. And it also has a test mode so that you can hear what your pests hear. The thing that I personally liked most about this rodent repellent is that I'm not harming any of these creatures. Also, I don't even have to touch them. It simply deters them from my living space so that they can happily go live in somebody else's garage. I also love that I can have this in my house and it didn't bother my pets or my children. All you can hear is a slight ticking sound, and that's only if you're up close. And it also has a flashing light feature for maximum effectiveness. So if you're ready to lose the anxiety that comes along with colder weather and unwanted pests, then I think you should get a few of these ultrasonic rodent repellers. And that's my point of view.